Hi everyone! As you know, it's summertime and I love traveling and I'm exploring different places across Manitoba. And I'm back with another video of a hidden gem, Seven Sisters Falls. It's a small and a peaceful community, like about an hour and a half drive from Winnipeg, to the east of Winnipeg, and it's along with the Winnipeg River. It is famous for its hydroelectric dam, and which was actually named after the original 7 waterfalls once found here. This is such a charming spot, and it offers you stunning views and a peaceful vibe. So whether you're into nature walks or photography or just simply want to unwind, it's a perfect day trip destination. I had such a relaxing time and I definitely recommend this. Please, must visit at least once. Alright, bye bye, stay tuned till my next video.